Anytime a client is interviewing a lawyer to handle an important personal injury or wrongful death case, I think there are a handful of questions that the client needs to ask. The first one is, have you done this before? And if you have done it before, can you show me what your track record is of settlements and verdicts in similar cases? Having success in past cases is an indication that the lawyers you are hiring know what they are doing. The second question that every client ought to ask is, who exactly is going to handle my case? It's important for you to know whether your case is going to be handled by a senior person in the firm or a junior person in the firm. For you to make an informed decision about whether you like and trust the lawyer who's going to have primary decision-making responsibility in your case, you need to meet that person, and you need to get a promise that that person will be working with you throughout your entire case. The third question that all clients should ask is, are you familiar with who's going to be defending this case? Do you have some idea of who the insurance company is on the other side? Or if there's no insurance company, do you have some idea who the claims people are for the doctor, or the hospital, or the corporation, or the government entity? It's important for your lawyer to know the lawyers and the adjusters who are likely going to be defending the case. It's important for your lawyers to know how the jurors behave in the county where your case will probably be filed. It's important for your lawyers to know who the judges are. It's important for your lawyers to know the kind of work and the kind of experts that are going to be required in order to obtain the maximum amount available. The fourth question any client should ask is, can you give me references? Can you point me to or put me in touch with a satisfied client? Can you recommend an active judge or a retired judge who is willing to give a favorable reference? Do you have online reviews? And where can I find them? Reports from past satisfied clients are important, but so are reports from other lawyers in the community and judges. They tell you something about the law firm's integrity and their ability to properly represent its clients. The final question all clients should ask is, how much do you think it's going to cost to prosecute this case? And do you have the financial resources to advance the costs that are necessary to prepare the case for settlement or trial? Prosecuting personal injury cases and prosecuting them correctly is expensive. Lawyers who specialize in the personal injury field typically advance the costs necessary to retain and prosecute the case. That means your lawyer has to have the financial resources to retain medical experts, reconstruction experts, economic experts, and other technical experts that can properly put the case together and maximize either its settlement value in mediation or its verdict value at trial. This is the kind of information that any client needs in order to make an informed decision on the right personal injury firm for them.